Google Sites is a free Google application provided with your U of M Google account that you can use to create simple websites. Navigate to the Google Sites page at sites.google.com. Type your full U of M email address into the username text box. Do not enter a password, but select the Sign In button. You will be automatically redirected to the U of M's general login page. Provide your Internet ID and your U of M password to complete the login process. On the main Sites page, you will see a list of any Google Sites you have previously created or have access to, and a button to create a new Google site. Select the title of the site to access it. When you enter a Google site, the first page that will display is the home page. Make a note of the web address in your browser. This is a unique URL that you can use to return directly to this site in the future. You can also continue to access your site through the Google menu. To make changes to the current page, select the Edit button. The Editor menu will load and a toolbar will be displayed. This tutorial will provide more information about adding content to your site in a moment. Select the Save button to exit editing mode. To add additional pages to your site, select the Create Page button. For additional and advanced site management options, select the More Actions button, indicated by a gear wheel icon. You can also decide who has access to view or edit the site with the Share button. If your site is private, only you will see it. If your site is public, your site can be seen by anyone. You may also provide editing privileges to others. Enter the email addresses of the other people you wish to invite to your site, or select the Change link to choose sharing options. Adding content to your Google site is easy, including images, text, or links. Navigate to the page where you plan to add content. Select the Edit button. The Editor menu will load and a toolbar will be displayed. To change or add text to the page, place your cursor where you would like the change to appear and type over or type new information. It is also easy to add an image to your Google site. To insert an image, place your cursor where you would like the image to appear. Select Insert from the menu and choose Image. Select the Upload Images button to select an image from your computer. You may also link an image from another website, but do this carefully. Remember, images that are linked from other websites can change with unexpected results, so it is not recommended to link images without permission from the owner. Don't forget to include alternative text for the image. This is a text description that helps others understand the image if they cannot view it. Select OK to finish. Use the image editing tools to apply any additional formatting options you wish. It is also easy to add a YouTube video. First, locate the YouTube video and copy the URL or web address to share the video. Return to your Google site and select the Edit button on the page where you want the video to appear. Select Insert from the menu and choose the YouTube option. Paste the URL into the space provided. Set your display and title options. Select the Save button. At first, your video will appear as a gray box. A menu is provided to edit your settings or set the display options for the video. Select the Save button to finish the process and display the video. If you have already created a document, spreadsheet, or other file in your Google Drive, you can also add it here. For example, this is a great way to organize and share documents with members of a project team. Google also provides an array of other content that you can easily add to a Google site. Don't forget to save your work often. You can make changes to the navigation structure of your site and reorganize the pages within your site. Select the More Actions button and select Edit Site Layout from the menu. Select the navigation bar. A new pop-up window will appear. Deselect the checkbox next to the Automatically Organize My Navigation option. A new window will appear. If you do not see any or all of the pages of your site listed there, select the Add Page link. Select the missing page from the Sitemap menu that appears and select OK to add it to your navigation. Use the arrows to reorder the pages or select the trash can icon to remove a page from the navigation bar. Select OK to complete your choices. Select the Close button to exit and save your changes. A theme is the visual appearance of your site. To add or change a theme, select the More Actions button, then select Manage Site from the menu. Select the Themes, Colors, and Fonts link. Use the drop-down menu to choose from a wide variety of automatic themes, or use the Settings option to create a customized look. You can even make personalized adjustments to an automatic theme. Don't forget to save your changes. There are a few tricks that professional web developers use to improve their websites. Spend some time before creating your site to think about how you will arrange your pages and content, and create a list or draw out a map. This will save you time creating your site and reduce the number of changes or corrections that are needed later on. Choose colors and images that best communicate your message. Take inspiration from other websites you enjoy. Choose colors that contrast well and fonts that are easy to read. Good websites are easy to navigate. If you plan to share your site with others, arrange your content and links so that visitors are directed easily to the important areas of your site. Using Google Sites, you can easily organize information, share content, and documents. You're ready to begin.